Today's video, I do preventive maintenance on a clothes dryer. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. Today I'm going to work on my clothes dryer by replacing the vent hose that comes from the dryer to the outside. And also I got a special brush to clean out the lint trap and make sure that there's no fires or nothing that's building up in there. I looked on Google, or I looked up how many fires there is in a year from dryers. It's between 2,900 and 3,000 fires. That's a lot of fires just for not taking care of your dryer and letting lint build up and get to the heating element. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let's get to work. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead, I'm going to disconnect the water. I'm going to move out my washer so I can get to my dryer easier. Let's do this. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the hose there, the vent hose. I'm going to pull it out a little bit. I'm going to leave the gas on because I don't think I need to really disconnect that. I'm not going to take it all the way out super far. And we'll do that right now. Also, I will unplug it. I don't need anything shorting out on that. Just need enough room that I can get back there. Alright. Let's go ahead and take off. There's a little clamp here. Very easy. Now, I don't know if you can see this. I've had this thing on here for 10 years, 11 years since we moved in. I have not cleaned it at all. I should have, but look, if you can see in there, I don't know if you can, but let's see if I can get some light. But it's pretty bad. It's pretty, wow. Bad me. I should have been doing this a long time ago. But yeah, it's pretty bad. Take this off. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my shop vac and I'm going to clean up the area here. Try to get as much as I can cleaned up. Alright, next thing you want to do, I got this this handy lint brush off of eBay, and I've had it for a long time. I meant to do this a long time ago, but I think this thing cost me maybe the most 15 bucks, if that. So, take out the lint trap. What you want to do is take this and look at that. Let's go ahead. I'm just going to put that because I'm going to vacuum it up again. I'll do this a few times. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and vacuum it out again. See if I can get as much out as I can. Okay, last thing I have a brand new dryer vent tube to put on there. Alright, once you get everything connected there, get your new vent, you can put this back in. Then we can go ahead and move it back. The last thing I do want to emphasize is you must clean these out once in a while. Don't do like I did and wait 10 years or until you have a fire. That's bad. Alright. I want to go ahead and make an announcement that I'm changing my days that I post my videos. From now on they will be on Tuesday mornings. So after this video, the next Saturday I won't have a video, and I'll just put a brand new one on that Tuesday. So with that being said, follow me on Instagram and Facebook at dadlifeprojects, or email me at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. Since you're here, check out these two videos right here. Also smash that subscribe button down below. And remember, any project you do, you are the project manager. Thank you.